Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I'm the instructor for this practical series on Informatics Practices Python Pandas. So practical number 8, we have write a program to create a Pandas series using data in the form a list and is given below. So we have the list D and we have to make the index of its element starting from A and ending at J. Using above series, write the commands for the following with the outputs like display top 5 records, display last 5 records, retrieve the third element and print it, retrieve the first 3 elements using default index and level index. So let's move to our Google Colab to do all this. So this is a program we have to start. So in order to do this, we will first start with import. We have to start like import PANDAS PD. Then we have to write the list which we have with us. So I will just copy this list and paste it here. And I will write I. So this will be my index. So from A to J I have to write. Then after this writing all the index, I will just write S. I will take the series name S equal to pd dot series. Here my S will be capital, and I will write simply that D and index equal to I. Okay. So my first is to display top 5 records. So I will just print A displaying top 5 records. After this, I will write print. I will use the command head for the top 5. So if I press enter, shift plus enter, so I will get displaying top 5 records. So my top 5 records are 10, 20, 30, 56 and 78. So these will be my top 5 records. If suppose if I needed to write top 3 records only, so I will execute this. So I have to change here also 3. So now I'm getting the top 3 records. So in this way we can find the top 5 records. Okay. So our next question is display last 5 records of the series. So again I will write, we'll just copy this. Now I want last 5 displaying last 5 records. So last, instead of head I will give tail. Okay. Now if I print this record, so I am getting displaying last 5 records. Okay, so last 5 records will be from 98, 177, 97, 65, 45. So I'm getting it. Okay, 98, 167, 97. So But as you see that there is no gap between this. So if I want a gap here between D type and this from A, so this is our answer B, right? So if I want a gap here, so I will just write print empty space. So if I just execute this, you can see there is a gap now. Similarly, I can answer for number C, retrieve the third element and print it. So to retrieve the third element, I can simply, I want a gap between the two answers, so I will write print A, print empty space, sorry, and then I will write print C. Then I want to retrieve the third element. So for the third element, as you know, we can use the for indexing. So I will just write print series name is S. Then I can write, so we need the third element. I can, in this I can just write 2. Okay, so it will give me the third element. As we know that indexing, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. So I want the third element, so I will write 2 here. So now if I print this, I will get third element is 30. So third element is 30. So third element is 30. Okay, so now I want a space between the C and D. So I will just write and empty this. So next question is retrieve the first three elements using default index and level index. So we will first retrieve the first three elements using default index. So I will write print retrieve the first three elements, and this will my D part 1 using default index, right? So I will write first three elements I need to retrieve. So I will just use this print s.ilog. So first element I will 0 to 3, and then I will write print. I want a space between this answer and this answer, so I'll just execute this. D part 1, I'm getting the retrieve first three elements using default index 10, 20, 30. So I'm getting the first three elements. Yes, I'm getting the first three elements. And next question is, this is using a default index. If what if I want to use level index? So I will simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is for the part 2. Retrieve the first three elements using level index. So here I will use not ilock, just simple error lock, and instead of 0 to 3 I will put the A to G, A to C. A, B, C are the first three elements. So it will, instead of default index, I am using the label index. Okay, so if I now execute this, I will get this 10, 20, 30. So I hope you are getting it. So in this question, we wanted to have, this is a list and the index of its elements starting from A to J. So in the index we have A to J. Okay, these are the top 5 records, these are the last 5 records. Then retrieving the third element, that is 30. Then retrieving the first three elements using default index, I'm using first three elements has been recorded, and the retrieve the first three elements using level index. So I have written this. So this is in the practical number 8. We will meet in the next practical. Thank you very much.